Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on Clara Marie Vlogs, I'm going to be showing you a DIY recipe I made myself. And today we are making St. Patty's Day potato chip bark. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what you're going to need is white chocolate melting wafers, not chocolate chips. I've learned this the hard way, it doesn't quite do the trick properly. Just turns into one hot chunky mess, but anyway, you mix it with green food coloring. You can make it as light green or dark green as you want, or somewhere in the middle, doesn't matter. This is the color scheme I'm going for with my shade of green. You're gonna need some marshmallow Lucky Charms cereal bits and shards of chocolate Andes mints. And to top it all off, we're going to add gold sprinkles. You can find this in the baking section of your grocery store. If you can't find gold sprinkles, you can very much use yellow. Works perfectly fine. So, what you're going to do is take your pre-melted chocolate, green chocolate, pour it over your potato chips, and make sure you're wearing gloves when you do this. Preferably latex or something similar to this texture, not vinyl with the holes in it. I just find that it gets too sticky or something. It sticks too easily with those ones, so I'm using latex. So anyway, you can pour this over your potato chips. Be generous with it. Stir it around with your hands. I found that it's helpful to use these kind of gloves, not the vinyl with holes in them, just because it tends to get a little too sticky to the gloves. It tends to get sticky a little bit much, but if you're allergic to latex, then go for something that looks like latex, but not latex at all, like vinyl, of course. Anyway, once this is all evenly distributed, you're gonna flatten it like so. Oh, getting some in there that didn't get coated quite. Not getting away from me. You're gonna spread it. Make sure it's all coated, all evenly coated, like this. And now the fun part, the toppings. We're gonna top it with some nice marshmallows. Minus the Salt Bay, it's the Lucky Charms mini marshmallow bay. Oopsie. And now, some of the Andes mint shards. And to top it all off, I'm gonna just sprinkle it like this to represent the pot of gold. At the end of every rainbow, a pot of gold. Well, not really. Just joking. I'm just joking with ya. And there you go. You leave this to set in your refrigerator until fully hardened. It only takes probably half an hour or less. It will harden quickly once you leave it in there. So, part 2 coming up next. Hey YouTubers, so in this part of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some ideas for an Irish themed gift basket. So, without further ado, let's get into it. An Irish soda bread baking mix, Irish oatmeal mix, Irish music playlist, tickets to see the show Riverdance, an apparel item that says "Kiss Me, I'm Irish," a new pair of step dancing shoes if your recipient does Irish step, a gold coin for good luck, an Irish claddagh ring. Claddagh? I'm probably saying it wrong, but anyway, yeah. An Irish themed journal with or without a Celtic design, an Irish cookbook, an Irish flag, Irish treats, Lucky Charms cereal treat, Ireland themed scrapbook stickers, tickets to a Boston Celtics game, and maybe even surprise the recipient with airline tickets to Ireland. So that's today's video vlog. I hope you guys have an amazing St. Patrick's Day. So that's all for now. Bye-bye.